Thank you, Mr. Speaker. Sir, I thank the honourable member for the question. Mr. Speaker, sir, the former Prime Minister and the former Leader of the Opposition, Mr. Biman vacated the government-owned residence at Muanikau Road on 10th February 2023. He moved to another government quarters in Domain where he signed up to pay rent at the market rate. We know, Mr. Speaker said, Mr. Biman continued to occupy the Muanikau residence after the new government was sworn in which used to be the official residence of the former Chief Justice. And we were also informed that the former Prime Minister was also using the Ratu Sukuna Road residence for meetings. Mr. Speaker, say in 2017 and 18, there was a major refurbishment works undertaken at the Honourable Prime Minister's residence at Muanikau, which was done through the Construction Implementation Unit, which used to be in the Ministry of Economy. When we came into government, it's now under the Public Service Commission. The initial cost, Mr. Speaker, say approved by Government Tender Board was $2.472,962 million. The contractor was Grace Road Food Company Limited. There were 4 variations that were approved by Government Tender Board, which increased the cost to $3,053,773, increased by around 581,000. Mr. Speaker, in addition to this, the cost of the lead consultant, Mysooria Design Limited, was around $417,000. The total, Mr. Speaker, say, for the renovation comes to about $3.5 million. When the Honourable Prime Minister, after the new government moved in, or before he moved in, the Public Works Department, Mr. Speaker, say, had checked the residence at Ratu Sukuna Road, and upon assessment, they had advised that they would need some renovation to ensure that the residence is fit for the Honourable Prime Minister, Mr. Siti Rambuka, to move in. So the total cost, Mr. Speaker, was $162,865, and the breakdown is as follows. Minor maintenance works, 33,000. Sliding gate repair works, 8,500. Intense cleaning and servicing of kitchen and laundry appliances, $580. Procurement of furniture and fixtures, $120,785. This, Mr. Speaker, is the biggest component of the $162,000, because we were told that when the Honourable Prime Minister moved in, or before he moved in, the assessment was that there was no furniture. We were told that there was no register of furniture with the government for the former Prime Minister, and the assumption was that the furniture that was there, that was removed, was actually owned by the former Prime Minister. So the new cost for the new furniture for our Prime Minister was $120,000, and the total was $162,000. So that's the breakdown of the cost, Mr. Speaker. Thank you.
Thank you.